Bedtime Adventures hub.
The Christmas Miracle.
Oh no! Something is not right. Santa looks unwell, and Christmas is just around the corner.
We cannot let Christmas be ruined. We need to do something.
Let's find Mrs. Claus. She would know how to help Santa get better.
We need a special remedy. Here's the list. Each ingredient carries the magic of Christmas. Bring them back swiftly.
We won't let you down, Mrs. Claus.
The Enchanted Forest holds the first ingredient. Let's bring back its magical essence.
Yes, let us do it together. Stardust, the first ingredient. Sparkles with the magic of Christmas.
On to the next one. We're making progress.
The candy cane mountains hold the second ingredient. Let's gather the sweetness of Christmas.
Sweetness and joy, just what Santa needs. Peppermint essence, the second ingredient. It will bring freshness and energy to Santa.
We are halfway there. On to the next magical place.
The Starlit Lake holds the third ingredient. Its waters shimmer with the magic of wishes.
Wishes and dreams, just what Santa needs.
Moonbeam drops, the third ingredient. Santa will feel the enchantment of the night sky.
One more to go. Let's head to the Glittering Meadow. The Glittering Meadow is our final destination. The flowers there hold the magic of love.
Love, the fourth and final ingredient. Santa will be surrounded by the warmth of Christmas.
Let us head back home now. Mrs. Claus, we brought back all the ingredients.
Thank you, little ones. This special remedy contains the warmth and joy from the hearts of all of us, dear.
And a dash of our love. Get well soon, Santa. Feel the warmth, Santa. Christmas needs you, and so do we.
The magic of Christmas is in your heart. Let it heal you. Thank you all for saving Christmas and bringing back the twinkle in Santa's eyes.
We did it together, Mrs. Claus. Christmas is a time for togetherness, after all.
As the snow falls, let's remember the magic of unity and the warmth of togetherness.
Yeah, and Merry Christmas, everyone.
Remember, kids, may the spirit of togetherness and the magic of Christmas bring joy to all. Have a wonderful Christmas.